Hey guys, today you're going to continue working on that research project notes. And if for some reason you can't find it in your Google Drive, the link for it is right here. That'll take you to the Google Classroom post where those research notes are. Go ahead and click on it. And they should look something like this, except more completed. Today you're going to focus on completing this My Opinion section. And before you guys start, I'm actually going to give you some examples of what your My Opinion section should look like and what it should not look like. Then I'll show you where to go to get started on your Google Slides, one-pager / paper, your choice. All right, so note that your claim should fully answer that question that you created, and it should be in a complete sentence. Your reasons should include specific data or details that'll support your answer, and make sure your reasons aren't the same, just worded differently. Okay, so if one reason's about cost, you might want to make your other reason about, I don't know, ethics or whatever applies to yours. You don't have 3 reasons just about like how expensive it is to do blah, 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 or something like that. Okay. All right, so here is an A+ example. This is kind of what I'm looking for in that My Opinion section. This will get you full points. The claim, researching Mars is worth our time, money, and resources. We know exactly what this person's topic is and how they feel about that topic. Reason number 1, it's not as much money as you think, and then they add their details in there. NASA's budget only accounts for 0.48% of the federal budget. Perfect, that explains this reason right here really well. And this reason, of course, supports their claim. Reason number 2, it could lead to scientific discoveries. Similarly, when we established a scientific base on the continent of Antarctica, we discovered new data about black holes, global warming, and ancient plant fossils. If used for scientific research, Mars could reveal new discoveries. Perfect. They included a specific example that explained their reason, and that reason supported their claim. Last one. Reason number 3, there is the potential for rich resources. Explorations to the moon have proved to have found valuable minerals, gases. Mars could also contain valuable minerals that could help advance medicine, science, and technology. So that is another specific example that explains this reason, and that reason, of course, supports their claims. That would be an A+ example. Now go ahead and compare this example to the D+ example. Right away, you notice there's a lot less details. Their claim, we should put our money towards it. Okay, make sure that you fully answer the question, so much so that like I wouldn't even have to read your question to know what your topic is about and how you feel about the topic. Okay, so instead of saying like it or they, make sure you specify what the it or they is. Okay, and their reasons are the same. Those are all good reasons, but they're just lacking those details that were in the A+ example. Okay, so make sure that your My Opinion section looks more like this and less like this. Once you finish with that, you're going to go ahead and take those completed research notes and put it into either a one-pager or a Google Slides or a paper. You get to choose. Sorry, I'm kind of trying to do 2 things at once here. Record a video, talk, and find the right post. All right, so if you're ready to move on to that Google Slides one-pager or paper, go ahead and take a look at these examples right here to kind of get an idea of which one you'd be most comfortable with. Here's an A+ example of the slides, D+ example of the slides, so you know what to do and what not to do. Here's an A+ example of the one-pager, a D+ example of the one-pager, so you know what to do and not to do. If you have any questions on like the requirements for the paper or anything like that, feel free to ask. As long as you have those necessary parts on the rubric, you're good to go. And if you don't know where to find the rubric, it is right here, Current Events Project, BHS Google Doc. These videos will also walk you through what to do for your Google Slides and what to do for your one-pager. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Talk to you later, guys. There, now talk to you later.